In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the differentiate without color feature for accessibility options on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side underneath Vision, select Display. And where it says Differentiate without color, click inside this oval to toggle it to left to disable that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.